Here we are again. Again. What I'm doing is building an alcove. I'm putting up another stud wall for the bathroom bathtub that you see right before you. Before me, before whatever here. And I'm putting up another stud wall that's going to go up on that wall there. And this will be like an alcove, like I say. You'll have a side over here yet, and a side here to receive the bathtub. And after I put this wall up here, I'm going to go take a lunch break. It's 12:45 over here, and then we'll continue. All right. All right, here we are. So I got that wall, the studs put up there. Next thing I'm going to do, before I put up the other two little walls here, I've got to cut a hole right in this area for the bathtub drain. So I'm going to get doing that right away, and then do some more work. Okay, here we are. Bye-bye. Alright, there is the hole that I had to cut out. This is for the drain. Bathtub will go over that. And then there'll be a pipe going from there all the way to a drain. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, it goes all the way into there. See that black pipe there? That's the drain. You have to connect the bathtub up to that drain. So that'll be one thing down the line when you connect up the bathtub. Anyway, on to I have two small walls, one right here and one right over here to build for the alcove for the bathtub. Alright, I just got finished putting up this little wall right here that you're looking at for the alcove. It kind of looks like that. And the bathtub will fit in there. Of course, you already know that. And I'm just going to put up one more wall here that I have to do, like this wall, but I'm going to put it up right here. Alright, then I'll be finished for the day. Yahoo! Alright, I've got that little alcove made for the bathtub. Right here are the studs. Wart on the floor, studs on the wall for the studs over here. I've got the drain hole all cut. And now I'm going to try to slide in the bathtub to see what it looks like. Alright, just slid the bathtub in. And it looks like it fits pretty good. And tomorrow I will work on installing the bathtub and drain and then the enclosure, and then hey, it'll come along pretty good. Alright, there it is. The alcove made and everything. Alright. Well, it's movie time now. We're going to take a look-see at what I had accomplished yesterday and today. I finished the alcove here. I got the tub all installed. I just finished putting the drain in. I cut myself a bigger hole here in the floor so it could work easier. But anyway, I have that all installed back there. The drain is all installed, and that should work. After a while, after the glue sets, I think I just may take a bucket of water and throw it down the drain and see how it works. That's all set up and ready to go. So I don't know if I want to get the inside of the tub all wet and have to work around that, but we'll try that maybe later. Okay, here we are. Alright, I just finished installing the tub surround. Walls in the bathtub there. All glued down and screwed down. The bathtub's in, the drain is in. I gotta put the controls in. I'll probably do that tomorrow, put the shower head in and all that hot and cold water and faucet and all the good stuff there. I figured I'll drill them this way while it's up and just screw a 2x4 onto the back of the studs back here to drill into the the tub surround, so I won't screw up the wall. So that should be fun. That should be easy. Then I have to caulk down the seams yet. Just those two seams over there, I guess. And that should be it for the tub. And then the rest up above, I'll do that when I go and drywall everything. Over here, you see that 2x4 right there? I had to cut that off. The way I had put in the 2x4s in the back here. So I have that one cut off. I put two of them too closely together. There we go, there's the light. I put in two 2x4s too closely together. And the fixture wouldn't fit, the hot and cold water thing would not fit. So I had to remove one 2x4, move it a little bit, but that wasn't too bad. Not at all. Just took a little while. Okay, and that's it for right now. Then I guess I'm going to be working on the electrical stuff, putting the blower in probably tomorrow. After I get the tub all finished though. I want to get that done one thing at a time. Alright, there we go. I have the bathtub and the surround all set up. I have the controls all in. The faucet, well, the drain, yeah. And the hot and cold water and the shower head. I have this all fixed up over here. I've got all the hookups back here. There it is, everything all hooked up and ready to go. And I didn't caulk yet. Basically, I think I suck at caulking, but I'll do that tomorrow. I don't have a caulking tool to even out the caulk. I'll do the caulking tomorrow. I was going to do that today, but I was just too tired. And then tomorrow I should have this portion of it all done. And I think the next thing I'll start to do is work on the blower vent. I'm going to put it right about in this area here someplace. So anyway, it's been a long week so far, and I worked hard. And here's what I've got to show for it. Alright? Next movie coming up later.